Hello, I'm Richmond Imyangao. I'm here to present the Chapter 15 Rizal's second sojourn in Paris and the Universal Explosion of 1889. Universal Explosion was a world fair held in Paris, France from May 6 to 31 October 1889. It was held during the year of 100th anniversary of the storming of the Bastille, an event considered symbolic of the beginning of the French Revolution. Paris in the spring of 1889 was bursting with gaiety and excitement because of the universal explosion. Everywhere in the metropolis, the hotel rates and rents were soaring sky high. He published his annotated edition of Marga Successos. Rizal founded three Filipino societies. The first one was Kidlat Club, the second one Indios Pravos, the third one is RDLM or Redencio de los Malayos. Difficulty of finding quarters, March 1889. The Universal Exposition was scheduled to open on March 6, 1889. Attracted thousands and tourists to that all hotel accommodation were taken. French landlords taking advantage of the great demand for living quarters raised the rents of their room. For a short time, Rizal lived in the house of his friend Valentin Bintura at number 45 Rue Maubourg. Finally, he lived in little room together with two friends, Captain Justo Trinidad and Jose Albert. Rizal and Paris Explosion of 1889. Like any ordinary Filipino tourist in a foreign land, Rizal was fascinated by the Universal Explosion. Eiffel Tower, 984 feet high, which was built by Alexander Eiffel, a French engineer. President Sadi Carnot, President of the Third French Republic. International Art Competition. Felix R. Hidalgo, painting awarded second prize. Juan Luna and Felix Pardo de Tavera, paintings got the third prize. Rizal entry, a bust which model got no prize. This bust was quite good to qualify for the exhibition but not good enough to win an international prize. June 24, 1889, a baby girl was born to Juan Luna and Paz Pardo de Tavera. Andres O. Loling, Maria de la Paz Blanca Lauresina, Hermenegilda Juan Luna Y. Pardo de Tavera. May 16, 1889, Rizal wrote a letter to his family in Calamba. My daily life in Paris is spent in the following manner: 1 or more hours in the gymnasium and in fencing, 3 or 4 hours in library. The rest I used up in writing and visiting friends. Every other night from 8 to 11, we meet in the cafe where we play chess. On Saturday, I am invited to eat at Launa House. On Sunday at Mrs. Juliana, and on Friday I visit the family of Bousted where sometimes I take tea. Decision to go to Madrid suddenly made him change his mind. A letter from Pasiano which related that they lost the case against the Dominican in Manila, but they applied to the Supreme Court in Spain. Hence, a lawyer was needed to handle into Madrid. He wrote M. H. Del Pilar. That's all. Thank you.